Roman coming up, Melvin Kalausi and Pract. Highly Christian left crew to go off. Thereabouts this weekend for Force Racing in 380. James Amignostiades on debut the Austin WSK is back of the great. Good Bugatti and a good 14. Again, he's going great. Another formation lap. Our race cap it off. Catapult, Lydian, and Dina Judgman from grid 32, 20 places to finish 12th. Yesterday, AKM Motorsport, we are watching the driver from the Netherlands on the last grid position. Jack the Kitson on pole. Push down into turn one by Sebastian Lecomaki. Island leads the two pony carts, goes marginally wide, but holds on to the lead. Scott Marsh up into third place, just ahead of Filippo Sala, who will launch down into the chicane. But Scott closes the door in 3-6. What's the mark on Beroyan? As Amir Sabirov goes wide down into the chicane, fighting with Yaroslav Karpov. And we're watching for Tim Higginson from grid 32, from the Netherlands, from the back of the grid. From 32nd up into 12th yesterday. He comes across the line in position 24. So he's made up 8 positions off the start. Dean Hugensson, multiple WSK race winner, WSK champion. AKM Motorsport did not get a time in qualifying from the back of the grid. He's up in 24. Rangers up behind Zhao, Jean-Michel Rousseau, as Jack under attack from the pony cars of Lecomaki, Scott Marsh, and Gillipole. Jacopo Martinez there. In quinta posizione, Cecilia Republic, Island on the outside, now on the inside, losing the place though, and the Queen team at Jack. Jack, tipping through. Sebastian Lecomaki with the race lead. Lincoln Dawn is 22. Now behind the Panamanian, Jean-Michel Rousseau. Rousseau for DPK Racing. Holds off Lincoln Dawn for the moment. And it's Mark Rocco, Mariano Lopez, and Rubiano. Just out of the 60-minute category. The freight train has left the Maki. It's away, what shot. In 3-2 on the back of Jack. Into the far hairpin. Qualifying for King versus Ifuro J Jr. Phillips, the finish from Boris Wicheni. Artie Creason, Sakai, Easton Lennon up into 13th. Again, the Cape Tonian flying as the Scottish goes wide. Loses time, looks to be Boris Wicheni. Kagura Sander, apologies, it was the Hungarian in 329. Pushed out into the grass, going down onto the big straight. Thomas Gender. Right behind his James Anagnostiades. Sees the judgment down the inside. And he picks up another one. Hugensson up in the P18 from grid 32. Has left them up in lead for the Tony Kart racing team.
Attenzione prego, concorrente e conduttore categoria OK Junior numero 374 Victory Lane Cosché B, immediatamente in segreteria dai commissari sportivi. Attenzione s'il vous plaît, concurrent et conducteur de la categorie OK Junior numéro 374 Victory Lane Cosché B, tout de suite c'est le secrétariat. Merci. Attention please, entrant and driver, okay, junior category number 374, Victory Lane, Cochet Louis. Immediately to secretary office by the steward. Thank you.